Hey guys, so today what I'm going to do is I have like 6 of these, so I'm going to mix them all up and see if I can solve all 6 of them. So I have no idea if this is going to be a good idea or a bad idea, so let's just take them apart and mix them up and hope for the best that we can try and solve them. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and solve one, and I'm gonna speed it up, and I'll tell you guys when first one's complete. So I put a date on just a few, so that will help me know what the middle is. Kind of cheating, but when you have to solve 6 keys at once, it's kind of nice. So we know that these 2 are middle pieces. We don't know anything else. So I'll fast forward you until I get my first piece solved. I'll see you then. Okay, so quick update. I got most of them solved, except for one. As you can see, it's kind of not solved. I got it to this point, but just these 2 right here were not in the square. So I did something wrong with the others, so I'll try and get it right, and I'll come back to you towards the end. Hey guys, so it's about 3 days later, and I could only get 5 solved. I couldn't get the 6th one solved. So what I'm gonna do is make a second part to this video. I'm gonna close this video up. So I'll see you in that video. It should be up hopefully this week, if not first part of next week, for sure Monday. So make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, but for now I'll see you in another video right here.